the not fun part about a puppy at Christmas. Shattered ornaments everywhere. Lovely. I told myself I would never ever let the dog sleep in our bed. This dog is doing all the things I said I wouldn't let it do. It's sitting on the couches, it's hanging out in my bed. I said I would crate train it, and we have the crate downstairs, but I just couldn't stand his cries last night, so we brought him up to our room. And like Adam is being the one who, like, he was the one who's like, the dog's sleeping with us every night, blah, blah, blah. And then last night he didn't even want the dog in our room. He was like, not cool with that. And I was like, no, we've completely switched roles. Adam says it's because it's the cone. That if you didn't have the cone on, he would be fine with him being in our bed and stuff. I don't want it in our bed when we're sleeping. I say it because we don't have a name for him yet. We need to name you. What should we name you? Do you like Riker? Ryder? He's my baby, guys. Look at that face. He's just got the cutest face. So, good morning. We are hanging at home today. Adam took my car to work. So we're going to hang at home. Oh, thank you. Especially since this little guy is still recovering. He got neutered on Friday before we could take him home. So he's not supposed to do anything super fun. And yesterday we left him to go to church. 2 hours. I came home and the tree was down. He knocked the tree over and attacked several of the balls. Luckily, he really went for the ones I had just bought from Walmart, so they don't really have sentimental meaning to me, although a few other ones were casualties as well, which I'm kind of sad about, but he's still a good boy. We still love you. All right, we're going to chill, hang out till Lincoln gets up. Welcome to our day. Waiting and hoping, wishing for anything to drop. But it's a chocolate chip muffin, so it better not drop. Yeah, doggy can't eat chocolate. That'll make doggy really sick. Yeah, that's why you're sitting in your high chair. Normally for breakfast, he eats breakfast on his Paw Patrol table. These two are exhausting. He keeps going after all of Lincoln's toys. And Lincoln gets super upset anytime he even goes close. You just went potty. You just went. He likes to hang out by the door, and I haven't figured out if it's just comfy there and quiet, or if he needs to go outside, because I've been taking him outside a lot. Lincoln, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Give him a treat. He's being a good boy. Good job. Yeah, we're just going to give him that little bit, because he's being a good boy. Trying to get him a little bit used to the crate while we're home, so that way if we do need to leave, that we'll be able to put him in here and he won't be too upset. So we're making it positive by giving him a treat for going in there.
No.
Yeah, you're a good boy. Hi, baby. You had a long nap. How'd you sleep? Bless you. You're a sneezy puppy.
People asking for funds, Kyle. Oh, this is Clem.
Fred Clemson, State Department. If this project of yours comes through, we'd like to see it used for something other than headlines.
Somebody get that kid a sandwich.